everybody, Justin Worden. You're watching What's New in Electronics, and I am here with Noreen King of Evolve Manufacturing. Noreen, how are you?
Great, thank you. Yeah, it's a great show.
It is a great show. There's a lot of people running around. We're here at SMTA International, which traditionally, as the name of the show, is revolving around electronics. But at Evolve, you do a little bit more than just electronics manufacturing.
Yeah, we outsource the manufacturing of the electronics, and then we do the rest of the product up to and including distribution. So usually we're focused on product which is precision mechanical, automation, robotics, stuff like that.
You know, it's so interesting when you bring this up, and I'm glad we're having this conversation because so many times when I work with my customers, you know, they're building the circuit board, right?
Right.
And I hear about these cool, amazing projects, but when I go in there, I'm just seeing like this part of the process.
Right.
I never actually get to see what it turns into, and that's where
Right.
you come and play.
Yeah, and it's very exciting for us. And actually, we have really great friends in this industry, so everybody has different requirements for electronics, and we are able to match our customers with who are the ideal manufacturers.
Yeah, so when we talk about the finished process, so once the circuit board is done, they will ship that over to you, and that's
Right.
when your job starts, right?
Right.
And what kind of walk us through that process, start to finish?
Yeah, so we'll obviously do inspection and test after the supplier has already done theirs, and then we'll put it all together. And normally our products are FDA controlled, so it's very controlled processes. And once that's done, we'll do the assembly and then test and ship.
Yeah, so when you talk about FDA approved, you know, typically when you get into that box build, that's when it becomes a little bit more of a dirtier part of manufacturing, a little more grease, a little more dirt, you know, you're welding, doing more of that. But with your particular products, you guys have a very clean facility.
Right, yeah, we're doing the final integration. And so any of the dirty stuff happens before it gets to our place. And usually a lot of things are actually sterile. So we have a very big clean room where we manufacture stuff for surgical suites and stuff like that.
So how does someone get a hold of Evolve Manufacturing?
Yeah, you can check out our website. It's evolvemfg.com. And you can contact me.
And where's your facility located at?
In Fremont, California.
Okay. And as far as the logistics of getting set up and qualifying the process, you know, that can be a very overwhelming task. I got an idea, I got the board, but I just don't know how to get it started. How does Evolve really kind of take that pressure off the customer?
Yeah, our team will work you through. We have an onboarding process where we will vet the customer's documentation, and we will help them develop documentation, and we take care of the whole process. And even in the case of if they need consultants for medical or any of that stuff, we'll also, put them and match them with the right people.
Evolve MFG. Noreen, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.